Hello, my name's Bernadette Russell. Through February and March of 2021, I ran a creative writing group with a brilliant group of fantastic people from all over the country and also from the States called the Scriptorium, with a beautiful venue in Ashford called Revelation. And in our last session, we collectively tried to write a poem, the results of which you'll hear shortly. We created a poem. The idea behind it was recipe for a story. We considered what ingredients it might take to make a good story. We recorded it on Zoom, so obviously it's a little bit, patchy, but we hope you enjoy listening to it, and maybe it'll make you think about what your ingredients for a good story might be. Enjoy.
Something you leave out.
A pound of conflict.
A compelling character.
A good swig of imagination.
Several different flavoured voices.
Underlying threat.
A pinch of mischief.
Just a sprinkling of heartbreak.
A soupçon of silliness.
A sprinkling of humour.
A pinch of spice.
A dash of grand adventure.
One large wine glass of imagination.
Mix in 3 tablespoons of nonsense.
Whisk until you have stiff white peaks of tension.
Whisk until twisted.
Wait until the suspense nearly kills you.
Stir in a gush of excitement.
Thank you for listening to Recipe for a Story. Perhaps you'd like to think about what ingredients or methods of cooking might make up a good story for you. If you'd like to get in touch, please do so. If you'd be interested in future scriptoriums, you can contact me on Twitter at Betty Russell or on Instagram at Bernadette Russell, or by email bernadette@thewhiterabbit.org.uk. Thank you very much, and thank you to all the brilliant members of the Scriptorium. We'll be back. Bye.